Stop losing leads, 5 common SendGrid mistakes, and how to fix them. SendGrid is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it's only as good as the hands that wield it. Many marketers struggle to get the most out of SendGrid for lead generation, and here are 5 common mistakes on the leadgen way I gather for you and how to avoid them. 1. Flying solo. 40% of marketers make this mistake. Don't treat SendGrid as a standalone tool. Integrate it with your CRM, marketing automation platform, and other tools. This creates a seamless workflow, allowing you to personalize campaigns and track results effectively. 2. Neglecting list hygiene. 30% of marketers make this mistake. Sending emails to inactive or invalid addresses is a recipe for disaster. It harms your sender's reputation and can even get you blacklisted. Clean your lists regularly, use email verification tools, and implement double opt-in procedures. 3. Ignoring deliverability. Best practices. 25% of marketers make this mistake. Land in the spam folder and kiss your leads goodbye. Warm up your IP address. Use proper authentication, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and craft engaging content that avoids spam triggers. 4. Sending generic emails. 20% of marketers make this mistake. No one wants to feel like just another address on a list. Segment your audience, personalize subject lines and email content, and A/B test different versions to see what resonates best. 5. Flying blind. 15% of marketers make this mistake. Don't guess, track. Monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Analyze your results and use the data to refine your campaigns for maximum impact. Ready to stop losing leads? Avoid these common SendGrid pitfalls and watch your results soar. I would appreciate your feedback and engagement.